Alright, hey guys, welcome back. I'm just going to make a quick video. This is an app called MetaTrader 4. It's used by Forex traders, which stands for foreign exchange. It's just basically taking like US dollars and trading it with the euro, like buying euros with it and holding euros and then later on exchanging it back for the US dollars at a different price so you can profit, or well, hopefully profit and not lose money. So you can see right here, this is Euro USD. That is, like that's what I was talking about. Just a quick little, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. This is like, here's the chart, Okay, so anyway, MetaTrader 4. Down here is your tab menu. You got, this is your tickers. Here's your chart. Here's your, if you have any open orders, you see your balance, your equity, free margin, that's how much. Like say I had a bunch of money in this account. This is just a burner account, so it doesn't really matter. There's 37 cents in it right now. I lost some money because I use leverage for this account, but which I don't recommend to do. And again, this is not financial advice, but I do know how to use this app, so I'm just teaching you that. Okay, so but anyway, you get the idea. Down here is like whatever, I don't ever use that. This is just some news and whatever if you need to talk to people, I guess. Okay, so you got let's see, up here right is how you would add your tickers if you want to add crypto. And since this is mainly for Forex, you kind of have to use your ingenuity to figure out how to use crypto through your own research. I can't reveal that to you. So anyway, on this one I have cryptos. You come in here and then you got all these different cryptos. EOS, let's just add. I click on it, now it's added. As you can see all the way down here, EOS USD, that's added. Alright, here's the chart. Okay, and to get to that you can click on it and it says all this stuff, open chart, or you can just slide to the left. And as you can see, here's my chart. I would click on it. This will open up your time frames, 5 minute, hour, etc. If you wanted to draw certain indicators, you would click that. I'll show you that again. It's a little symbol right here with the triangle and the circle and square. You'd click on that. You would come up to the plus, and here are all your indicators that this app offers. You have your trend lines, your channels, your Fibonacci's, and etc. So if I wanted to draw a fib, I would click on fib retracement, and then boom, something like that. All right, so you get the idea. You can click on it, you can double click on it, well, or just maybe hold. There it was. Come on. And then I can delete it, or I can edit it with that little pencil if you wanted to. So anyway, that's that. You can zoom in, zoom out. Up here, if you the plus symbol up, or the crosshair up here, if you wanted to check a certain line. This would be how this dollar symbol, this would be how you would switch charts. So right here you can see I'm in the EOS chart. Let's go to the ETH chart, and now you can see I'm at the ETH chart up there. Here, if you want to go to your accounts, you would hit the hamburger menu up at the top left up here, and then it would open up this menu. You would hit manage accounts and it'll take you to your accounts screen. You can also use your quotes or your tickers. You can go to your chart. You can trade if you want to. Okay, so let's say I wanted to open an order now. Let's say I wanted to, right here, it's high. Let's say I wanted to sell ETH. So I click that plus in the top right up here. And here's your order screen. If I wanted to market execute, I could do that, or I could set a buy limit or a sell limit, or a buy stop or a sell stop. Let's say I wanted to buy, or I wanted to sell at, well actually you would be selling down here. So it's at 2, so I'd want this line to get up to, let's say 220. So I would go sell limit. And right here is the price that you would change it to. You can hit the plus or the minus to let it scroll up, or you can click on it, and I want it at 220, so boom. Okay, now if I wanted to set Like right here at 220, if this blue line crosses that, it'll open up if it goes up above it and it comes back down, which looks like it'll probably happen. But this is just for, you know, the idea of using it. And then up here, okay, so I could set my, this is over here, the green is my take profit zone. So I would, you know, I would set it down below. I'd set it at, I don't know, 1900 or something. 1912 sounds good. Oh shit. Whoops. Anyway, since I don't have money in this account, so it doesn't matter anyway. But see, now it's open. It's sell limit. I can go back in. I can edit it if I want to. It's open now at 2220. If the price goes above there and comes back down, it'll be open for good if I had money in this account. Up here, I can't do it now because I already placed the order. But up here you can see if this is your lots or your pips. This is how big of an order you would place. I'll go into that on a different video. This is just a breakdown on basics on how to use this. You would basically set this at 0.01 right here at the minimum if you were using this, because this is a leverage trade and you wouldn't want to risk very much money. Anyway, if you wanted to set a stop loss, like if it, let's say it kept going, it hit 200 or 2220 and it kept going and it didn't ever come back down and it went up to 3,000. Let's say, you know, you'd set that at 2300. Okay, done. And so now I have my take profit at 1900 and my stop loss at 2300 and the price at 2220. So, you know, you modify, because I'm editing, so I hit modify, done. Now if I come back to the chart, sorry, I got all this garbage. You can see this red dotted line is my stop loss at 2300. The yellow dotted line, what you see is what you get, so don't get too excited. Well, everything's getting in the way. Okay, so this yellow dotted line right here is the order line. So if it comes back up, you will see then it'll activate. And then my stop loss or my take profit down here, you can see TP, the red dotted line, is at 1900. And so, you know, that seems like a fair, you know, like it could come back down to there before, because this is the local high before the rally, and then here's the big gap right around, you know, 1900 is where it kind of started. So I think that would be a great buying zone, or well, buying zone if you're looking to buy, or a take profit zone if you're getting in on a short. So I mean, you know, here you have a little bit of basics kind of on how to operate this app quickly and efficiently. If you have any more questions on how to do anything, leave a comment and I will respond. Thank you.